Here we have a 1985 Toyota pickup 4-wheel drive long bed deluxe. This one is the solid front axle, very sought after, 22R motor. Does run very good. Very solid body, very solid. Just a little bit of surface rust, but no cancer on the body at all. We got the locking front hubs. Take a quick look at the body. It is a long bed, very straight, no dents, no major scratches. Looks to be original paint. Just a great original truck. Interior is all original also. Original cloth on the seats, original door panels. It is a 5-speed too. Transmission. Only has 161,000 miles, 857. There's a sliding rear window. And that's a deluxe model. Once again, this is a solid front axle 4-wheel drive Toyota. I was told they're only made 1984 and 85. There we go. Look at the front axle. Drivetrain is very good. Runs great. Clutch is great. Everything is good. Give me a call back. 702-488-2717 or 702-355-0008. My name is Paulo. Motorcars Gallery Ltd. in Las Vegas. 1985 Toyota pickup long bed deluxe 4-wheel drive with a solid front axle, 22R motor. Talk to you soon.